Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fold a paper bird out of a square sheet of paper. Start by folding your paper in half. Next, fold this edge up to the top crease, this crease over here. Flip it over and fold this edge up. And now you're going to put your finger in this pocket and flatten. Now fold this edge up and that edge up to match it. And fold this piece down and this edge up and this edge up too. And then unfold, unfold, unfold. And fold this up and then push in. Yeah, like that. So now unfold these two flaps, crease up, push in, and fold down. So now these are going to be your wings. So now fold this edge up so it looks like this. So keep the wings down and fold it up so it looks like that. And then also do the same with this wing edge. So fold it up, fold it up. So now that it looks like this, you're just gonna pull on it and until this top edge, this edge points right over here. This edge points at this top edge. And do the same with the tail. No, the head flap. So with this flap, you're gonna wait until that edge points that edge. And then crease. And now you are gonna make the head of the bird, so just push into it. And now this is your bird. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.